Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Curly Monil. Today I am going to share a basic digital painting on my iPad Pro, and I'm working on the Adobe Fresco. That is a very easy and very convenient painting app. This is a basic sketch which I have prepared, and this is about the Lohri festival. Lohri is a very popular winter folk festival celebrated in the North India, mainly in the Punjab region. The festival is celebrated by lighting bonfires, eating festive foods, dancing, and collecting gifts. Actually, this festival is being a winter crop season celebration. So let's start this painting. So this is my color palette. You can see very well I have used lot of colors because in Punjab region the dresses of male and female, they are very colorful, and these are my brushes. I am using mixture brush, Monet mixture, and the second one I am using a vector brush, that is basic round for the outlining. So I am using dark blue and light blue combination for the color of the male, and for female I'm using green and red color. And this is a jacket. I'm painting the jacket is I'm doing very smooth mixing of these two colors, light blue and dark one, with the Monet mixture brush. So Monet mixture brush will be very good for mixing two different colors, and the mixture brush will help you for a smooth merging of two different colors, light and dark one. So you can see I have completed the half of the dress of the male. This is the output, and the remaining dress, for remaining dress I am using dark orange and orangish yellow color. And again I am doing the same, using the Monet mixture brush and merging dark one and the light one in a smooth manner. I am also leaving a little bit space for giving highlight with the white color. You can also use the white color highlights after the completing the complete dress, but I am doing this simultaneously by leaving the space. Similarly, I will complete the dress of the male person. Now after completing the dress, it's time for turban. Turban is a very important part of Punjabi outfit. I am going to color the turban. I am using dark pink and light pink combination. Similarly, you can see that the dress of female I have colored with the green, dark and light green and red combination, and the top part of turban I am using dark and light combination to show the folds of the turban, or to highlight the folds of turban like this. Now it's time for bonfire. Bonfire is very important part of the Lohri festival. So for fire I am using yellow color, and for sticks I am using dark brown color. The central part of bonfire you can highlight with the light orange color, so it will give a great texture to the flame. I have given very bright colors to this musical instrument. This musical instrument is called as dhol. Punjabi dhol is very amazing, and it play very important role in all of the festivals of the Punjab. And this is it, and I have almost completed my painting. And for background I have given dark and light blue combination, or dark and light blue texture to the background. So this is it. So I have started iPad Pro painting or digital art, and I'm found that Adobe Fresco is little bit easy, and very easy to work on the Adobe Fresco, so you people can try this. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel Curly Monil. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.